Hi there. Today's recipe is Chhanar Dalna, a Bengali vegetarian dish. It's one of the easiest paneer recipes that gets done in no time at all. The soft and spongy cottage cheese dumplings are enjoyed by all. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? This is 250 grams of paneer. You could use homemade cottage cheese or chhena. And mash it up so that it becomes smooth and there are no lumps in it. That's good. Some homemade Garam Masala powder, some dhania powder, coriander powder that is, salt and plain flour. The binding agent, about a tablespoon of it. Mix it all up till it's smooth once again. Just divide this into equal portions and form small balls out of the dough. Flatten them slightly. Once they are all done, just put them in the fridge for 20 minutes to set. For the spice mix, take a bowl, add in coriander powder, cumin powder, chaat masala powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Pour in a bit of water and make a smooth paste. Grated ginger, green chili and coriander leaves, fresh tomato paste, some garam masala powder to sprinkle on top. Now the dumplings are out of the fridge and they have stiffened up. I'll just dust them with a bit of flour and just toss them up. Heat some oil and shallow fry the dumplings so that they just get a light color on them. There's nothing to cook. They seem to be puffing up slightly. Gently turn them over. I switched to a silicone spatula. That's a nice color on them. Time to get them out. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Try the rest. To make the curry, just reduce the amount of oil in the wok. Add in a few pieces of cinnamon and some cumin seeds or jeera. Add in the prepared spice paste. Followed by the tomato paste. Cook till the oil starts separating. That hardly takes any time. Add in the grated ginger. Cook it for a minute. That looks good. Add in the green chili. You may slit it. Wash the bowl that had the spice paste and just pour in the water. Season with salt and a bit of sugar. Mix it up, bring it to the boil. Add in more water to make a thin gravy. Remember that we need to soak the dumplings in the gravy. Once that comes to a roaring boil, lower the heat and carefully add in the fried dumplings. Mix them with the gravy. Bring it to a boil. Lower the heat and boil for a minute. That's how they have turned up. End it with a teaspoon of ghee on top. Sprinkle some garam masala powder and turn off the heat. Let it rest for about 5 minutes before you serve it out. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and serve the curry with rice or paratha. Enjoy!